Not live. Okay, that one's not live, but the next one, it tells you the actual voltage on the actual. It goes up to 120 on this one, 118 right now, but that's because we're in a cord. Okay.
No live.
Not live. The other one.
I just got this tester for electrical, so I built a lot of kitchens, and a lot of times when I go to the homes, I want to test out their source of power, if it's connected properly, so I could plug in the appliances for people. And I want to make sure of it, so to test that, we got a tester that we're going to check to see if the power source is connected properly. And as you see right there, it tells you that it's wired properly. And on the other end of the tester, once we plug it into any extension cord or power, it'll tell us the voltage of the power.
That's not giving you a lot. There it is.
Ahí estaba.
120.
Ahí está.